This is the procedures when an accident occurs. First one is arriving at the accident scene. When you come across a road accident, the first thing you need to know is whether the scene is safe to enter and accessible before attempting to render first aid. This is to ensure your safety first before helping the casualties. Check for obstruction in the mouth or throat. If the victim has stopped breathing, check his mouth for any obstruction. Use your index and middle finger to remove the obstruction and to clear the airway. Check for injuries. If you have been injured in the accident, check yourself first for any injuries or bleeding. Look for any bleeding in the head, neck, arms, leg, abdomen, and other parts of the body. If others are injured, assess the extent of their injuries. Immediately, call for an emergency ambulance or emergency medical services (EMS) to inform them about the incident. Ask their advice to resuscitate and rush the victim to the nearest medical facility.
Uy, anong nangyayari? Anak! Anak, yung nanay mo! Tawagan mo sa ate mo.
Bakit ano nangyayari?
Nanginginig.
Ate, pumunta ka na dito sa bahay. Si Mama, hindi natin alam yung gagawin namin.
This is the procedures not to do when a person gets a stroke. First one is do not let that person go to sleep or talk. Second one, do not give them medication, food, or drinks.
Ate, dalhin natin sa...
And lastly, do not drive yourself or someone else to the emergency room. Things to do when a person gets a stroke. First one is call an ambulance immediately. Second one is note the time you first see symptoms. Third one is perform the fast test. Face. Ask them to smile. Does one side look like it's dripping? Arm. Instruct them to raise both arms. Does one arm drift downward? Speech. Ask them to say something. Does it sound strange? And time. If you observe symptoms, call 911 immediately. The following are the precautions to avoid accidents. When driving, first is fasten your seatbelt. Second, avoid using cell phones when driving. Third one is lower the volume of the following radio. And when crossing the street, always look left and right before you cross the street. Avoid using earphones or any gadgets that might distract you from seeing the dangers ahead.